Joy is very down to earth. You can ask her anything. She'll help you with the business.
Come into the class not knowing anything and leave knowing everything that you need in order to start a successful business. If you haven't caught on, catch on.
Is a great teacher. She mapped everything out so that it was easy to understand, easy to practice. She was hands-on. She was right there over my shoulder.
I'm so happy that we had an opportunity to learn, to grow, and also to increase our business. So thank you, Joy.